Oh my god! Oh my god.
Bronzemarley! What is going on, and happy new year, folks. It is me, no other than the Bronzemarley. And I'm the greatest addition to YouTube 2019, and here we are in 2021, literally a few days away from 2022, you guys, and I have been the greatest addition and asset here on out. So why not join the compact, baby girl? I want you to be here. You want to be here. You high-key need to be here, baby girl, just because we serve looks. Get into it. We sometimes serve tea, but overall, baby girl, we just be serving. So for today's video, guys, I just wanted to bring you something so simple and easy that anybody could do it with their eyes closed. Lies. But no, for real, I just wanted to bring you guys a nice, fun video in regards to makeup in order to close out the new year, but to step into the new year challenging yourself with something that you probably haven't done before. And I know it's just a simple cut crease, but a lot of people don't necessarily teach cut creases or even implement cut creases in their makeup routines or regimens anymore. And I know for a fact that I don't do it, but you know, I want to, number one, show y'all that I still got it. But also just to show you guys that, you know, it's time to elevate, especially for the holiday season. Like, it's New Year. Like, why wouldn't you want to be the ultimate glam for New Year? And I think that this is embodying ultimate glam. I did full coverage with skin. I did a very nice and almost natural cut crease in regards to the eyes, but the colors will complement just about anything that you wear. I mean, if you switch it, because I use a lot of warm tones, so if you just switch it from like warm tone to cool tone, then of course you can wear it with something more silver, whatever may have you. But I'm doing enough rambling as it is, you guys. If you guys would like to see how I achieved this New Year's cut crease glam, then please continue to watch. So my skin is prepped, y'all, and it's looking very well, might I add. I feel as though I go into a whole spiel of like just chit chatter before even indulging into the video. And that's my bad, because the videos be long as hell and I don't even intend for it to be. As far as my skincare, y'all, I do need to throw that in there that I've been using Curology for like the past 4 days. Not really consistently though, but mind your business. So I am gonna start off with my eyebrows. Now I am gonna speed through my eyebrows, but I did want to showcase you guys what I'm gonna be using just because this brand was very generous and kind enough to send me a lot of products from their collection. And one of the products being an eyebrow pomade. I want to give a huge shout out to Beauty Vault Collections on Instagram. This pomade is actually very, 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 very amazing. It's dark, it's a dark brown shade, and I'm so thankful to them for sending me this because it's gonna be so perfect for our makeup look for today. I'm gonna take my Anastasia Beverly Hills number 20 brush. It has a spoolie on the end and a flat square tip on the other end. I'm going to brush my eyebrows upward. Y'all know how to do eyebrows, child. Let me go ahead and speed through this. So now that I have my eyebrows filled in with my Beauty Vault Collections pomade, that's honestly not enough for my brows to feel secure. So I'm gonna go into my Anastasia Beverly Hills Ebony Brow Powder, and I'm gonna use that to set my eyebrows. So I went ahead and concealed my eyebrows, and we're gonna get straight on into it. To prime my eyes, y'all, we're cutting the crease today, so I feel like it's only right for us to really go in. I'm gonna take my Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer. I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna place this all over my lid to prep my eyes for the shadows. Now let's get straight into our eyeshadow. I'm gonna take my No Matte by Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna dip into first this top shade, and I'm gonna use that, I'm gonna smoke that all over my upper portion of my lid as a transition shade. Next, I'm gonna take my Anastasia Beverly Hills, I believe this is an A25 brush, and I'm gonna dip into the shadow right underneath, which is more of a warmer tone brown, and I'm gonna smoke that into my crease. I'm gonna move into the shadow down here, which is just a cool tone dark brown. I'm gonna take this Makeup Geek soft dome brush, and I'm gonna apply the shadow to my crease. So I'm starting from the outer corner just to really intensify that. And then I'm going to sweep it into my crease in a windshield wiper motion. Get a little bit more. So just because my eyes look a little bit on the orangish side, that's not the color that I'm going for. I'm gonna dip into my Anastasia Beverly Hills Singles, and I'm gonna dip into this chestnut, or like, what is this? Like a maple type shade. And I'm gonna use that still in my crease just to emphasize, but to add a little bit more of, like I said, a warm tone to it. And now that we have the eyes, or the transition shadows looking how we need them to look, I'm gonna go ahead and take my eye base from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and we're gonna use that to cut our crease. Wish I had the name of the brush that I'm going to be using. However, I do know that for a fact it is from Anastasia Beverly Hills, but it's just a nice, large, dome-shaped, flat-ish brush that I'm gonna be using to cut my crease with. Now that the crease is cut, it's time to moving into the eyeshadows on the lid. So I'm gonna move into my Anastasia Beverly Hills Singles with this Anastasia Beverly Hills A24 brush. I'm gonna grab this very bright shade at the bottom, and I'm gonna pack that onto the front part of my eyelid. Then we're gonna go back into our Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette, the Nomad, and we're gonna take that same initial shadow that we used to transition with, and we're gonna place that right behind that bright shadow on our lid. Same thing, I'm gonna take the shade right underneath that, and we're gonna place that right behind. Going back into our Anastasia Beverly Hills Singles, we're gonna pick up that chestnut color, place that in our tail. Back to that Nomad's palette, I'm gonna dip into that deeper shadow yet again, and we're gonna place that in our outer corner. I'm just doing creative eye looks like this and cut creases and stuff. Should I get back into it? New Year's resolution? Maybe. Now what I'm gonna do is take my Beauty Vault Collections eyeliner, and we're going to do a nice winged cat eye. So I'm actually surprised that the eyeliner did exactly what I needed to do. I thought that it was going to like mess up the eye look or smudge or whatever may have you. But no, it actually held off. Like, I'm actually very impressed with this Beauty Vault collection. So I just popped on my eyelashes, and I decided to use the Beauty Vault Collection eyelashes in the style JMT15. And I do believe these are the Sassy lashes. So now that the eyes are complete, you guys, I'm going to do moving forward with my complexion. So I will come back to you guys in person, live action, towards the end of the video. So enjoy. Okay, you guys, so I am back. My complexion is done, and I'm beat. But I did want to show you guys what I was going to do for my lips. So I'm going to start off with this Precise eyeliner pencil. Yes, I said eyeliner pencil, girl, mind your business. But I got this from the beauty supply store. It was only $1. But this is in the shade dark brown. And I'm going to use this to line my lips with. Then I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty Shouty Mademoiselle lipstick. I'm going to use that as an additional lip liner. Then I'm going to take my Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink lipstick in the shade 55 Driver. Then I'm going to take this Ruby Kisses Broadway Clear Lip Gloss Vita Lip in the shade Gold. I'm going to apply that as my lip gloss. And this is the face, so I'm gonna go ahead, take these curls down, and I'll be right back to close out this video with my final remarks. So I am back, you guys, and for one of the first times in a long time, or ever, really, I don't have anything to wear. Like, this is actually like very shocking because I usually have something to wear, a dress, a top, a jacket, something to showcase in regards to like my look for the outro. This is supposed to be a New Year's glam, you guys, and all I have is like this black crop top. But I'm not mad at it. I just feel as though, you know, it's simple. So, well, the top is simple, so it'll actually draw more attention to the eyes and the makeup look anyway. But with all that being said, you guys, I thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you enjoyed it, if you enjoyed me, please leave me a comment down below about what you guys thought about this video, what you guys would like to see in future videos, or if you just want to leave a comment down below and just say what's going on. I'd greatly appreciate that. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that bell button right beside it so that you get notified whenever I do decide to upload. You can keep up with me on all of my social media platforms at Bronzemarley. I will definitely catch you guys in the next one, and I thank you so much again. Happy New Year, guys.